In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Llama 3, Qwen, and Mistral LLM modelers to translate your documents. So first of all, translate Bohemicus, and then go to the menu and choose language in settings. Now choose your source language, which would be English in this case, and your target language, let's say Spanish. Then you would go to this empty AI engines and simply go to local AI. And here you can choose one of your models. So it's either Llama 3, Mistral or Qwen. Also, you should know the minimum hardware requirements, which is like 16 gigabytes of RAM and a decent GPU with at least 16 gigabytes of video RAM. In this case, I have an older GeForce, but it seems it's just enough. And so you would just choose one of the engines. So let's choose Llama 3. And when you choose it for the first time, Bohemicus needs to download the actual modeler. The actual modeler has something like 5 gigabytes, so it will take some time, probably 30 minutes, maybe 1 hour. But anyway, just click yes to start downloading. And it will start downloading. So let's now wait a little bit. I will skip this part for you. Okay, so now it's been successfully downloaded. So what you can do next is to click this configuration button. And as you can see, your modeler is already here. And the creativity, I would suggest you keep it low to 0. And you can also add some glossary, which will be like in 2 columns. Or you can also add some additional instructions. But, okay, and then you click Save. And now, once you have set it up, you just go to this Cat and Tools tab. And you would simply drag and drop your file onto Bohemicus. And then you just click Translate. And now it will take some time to initialize the Llama 3 modeler, because it just needs to load all the modeler data into your video memory. So it takes a couple of seconds, so let's wait a little bit. So it will now start translating. It's a little bit slower compared to like GPL or Gemini, but the advantage of local AI modeler is that all your data stays in your computer. It's not leaving it, it's not flowing anywhere in the internet, it just stays locally on your computer. Okay, so now it's been finished. So let's see what the final result is. And as you can see, everything is in Spanish now, including the right formatting. So that's good. So thank you for watching. In the next videos I will show you also how to specify your models, how to download your own models, and how to configure it a little bit more. So thank you for watching and see you in another video.